Welcome to this Smartsheet tutorial. Today we are going to be looking at how you can create a new workspace in Smartsheet. And you'll be pleased to hear it's very simple to do. All you need to do is navigate to your home interface. On the left hand panel, look for the workspace icon. Right click and then you will see create new workspace listed. And if you left click here, then you just need to enter the name of your workspace. And that's it, you will have your new workspace created and it will be positioned underneath the workspace tab on the left hand panel. Now one thing to note is by default you will be the only member where the workspace is shared to. So if you did want to have other team members accessing the files that are stored here, then you just need to click the share button, and in doing so you can enter the email addresses of those colleagues. You can set their permissions, whether they're admin and can make changes to the sheets or the workspace itself, or they can simply view what you've shared to them. And you can also add a personal message, just welcoming them to the new workspace and giving a brief overview of what it is going to include and the purpose behind it. And in CCing yourself, you will receive a copy of that message. And then at the bottom, you would just hit Share Workspace. So I hope that was useful. If you have any other questions on the workspace functionality in Smartsheet, please drop a comment down below. And be sure to like and subscribe to this channel if you are looking for more Smartsheet tips, tutorials and recommendations, or anything else related to effective project management. Now I hope you have a wonderful day.